I am not an influencer, but if I was, there we go. All right, let's do this. I can't see what I'm doing. Oh, I bent it. Okay. All right. And the final touch. Oh. Okay. Influencer mode activated. Let's get down to business. Don't come to my house. You know what's great about me filming this? This doubles as a insurance. I don't know about you, but there's a high chance you don't look at the instructions. That's why you fail. Because most people don't read the instructions, and they're super useful. What, are you supposed to tap this, right? I don't know how to do this. You know the drill. You gotta start charging before you do anything, or actually do inventory. ASMR. Ready? 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 One more. French, Italian. This looks like German. Looks like Spanish. Russian. Thank goodness. I thought they accidentally sent 3 things and didn't send 3 other things, but it's a lie. They ended up sending, depending what country you're from, 3 different plugs. So. ASMR. This is hot. Just so you know, I'm getting really hot in this. It was so cold this morning. Now I'm like sweating. This is a 3-legged stand that I wish I could 3D print because it would take down the price by a heck of a lot. metalloid holes that can be like manufactured, but this is like metal. This looks like steel. Okay. Stand. I can't stand you. The best is saved for last. Just. Ooh, it came in the case. It came in the case. Perfect. It's ready to go. I love this. Oh, yes. Oh, this is nice. Oh, listen to this. I feel weird doing this. I hope you know that. I'm doing this for the views, okay? Doing this for the views. Okay. Oh, this is gonna be nice. Ooh, okay. I like this. And I have battery holders. Okay. Welcome everyone to the team, the DJI M3 Enterprise. I have to remember what I ordered. All right, we got the Mavic 3 Enterprise. Ooh, check this out. It's very nicely packaged. It's like the M2, but it feels bigger and sturdier. Like I feel like this feels like it's got metal in it or something. Oh yeah, it smells like Humisil, heated wires. There we go. Ta-da! Very nice, very, very nice. So I got the stand. You're probably wondering what I got the stand for if I don't have the RTK attachment on top, and that is actually in that box over there. So I'm going to bring you closer. So these are the batteries, and I made sure that I got these in time for actually working. I just had the knife. Where did I put the knife? Looks like I would just flip this open. Oh, okay, you just plop it on. And then these are thread attached to the top. And there's an orientation, I'm sure. Yeah, this makes sense because the gap right here. Ugh, I love engineering. Ugh, I love you guys. Ugh. It's seamless, it's aerodynamic. This is nice. These kind of remind me of like knurl knobs, except I don't know what they're really called. I would get some, what's it called? Loctite. Yeah, I'm gonna get some Loctite. Put some of that on here. and call it good. It came with the battery inside. Awesome. This is perfect. So you order a battery kit with 3 batteries, and then this is your 4th. And then the suitcase has space for 4 batteries. So you can travel without a battery inside the UAV, or you can travel with a battery inside, with or without it being inside. So this is awesome. And then it looks like this only has 1, so it should be fine. This hand controller, what is it called, Sendence? This one only has 1 battery. Okay. Thank you so much for watching my video on this haul. I'm not an influencer, but you know, try, right? So I hope you like this haul, and like and subscribe, and you know, put as many comments and rude things as you want. Also, you can put some positive things too. I much appreciate those, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.